Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve marketing strategies with Sprout Social, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Sprout Social to access its features. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the publishing section to streamline your content calendar. Plan and schedule your posts by using the drag and drop calendar feature. Utilize the built-in image editor to enhance your visuals before they go live. Next, move to the monitoring section to track brand mentions and keywords. Set up custom keyword searches to keep tabs on relevant conversations. Use the listening tool to gain insights into audience sentiment and trends. Analyze competitor performance through the Competitor Reports feature. In the Analytics section, review your post performance metrics. Focus on engagement rates, impressions, and click-through rates for better insights. Create custom reports to measure your team's effectiveness and strategy. Use the findings to adjust your content and posting strategies. Explore the CRM features to manage customer interactions effectively. Utilize audience segmentation to tailor your messaging for different demographics. Engage with your audience through the Sprout Social Inbox feature. Respond promptly to comments and messages to boost engagement. Lastly, continuously review and adapt your strategies based on analytics. Leverage A/B testing for your content to determine what resonates best. Regularly experiment with new features and updates that Sprout Social offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.